We need to extend this another 20 feet south.
Acknowledge, spraying it now.
I'll get the chalk box ready. Watch the clearance. Bring it down slow.
Got it, moving it left now.
All right, hold position.
Bring it down easy now.
We're aligned here. Get the wrench ready. Look solid, lock it down.
Move the hose to the left.
Okay, bringing the screed over now. Watch the edge, it's getting high over here. A little more to the left, hold it there. All right, I got it. Secure the clamps now. We need to secure those beams on the upper level by noon. All right, I'll get the crew on it right away. Bring it down 50 centimeters, slowly. All right, steady now, we're almost flush. Looks good, lock it in. Watch the left side, easy now. Okay, keep it coming down slowly. Make sure the edges are smooth right there.
Yeah. This piece fits perfectly here.
I'm bringing the next batch of mortar. Looks good. The voltage is steady on this circuit.
Confirmed. I'll move to the next section now. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the corner.
Bring it straight back here. Easy now. Ready to lift on 3.
Got it. Watch the corner.
Does that feel centered to you?
It's much better now. The lighting really hits the texture.
Line ashore.
Receive the line, making it fast to the cleat now.
Confirmed, all secure.